Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Guide. In today's video, we'll be talking about why are you not getting any views on TikTok. In order to fix that, watch the video till the end to learn how and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Don't forget to press the bell icon for instant notifications as soon as we post a new video. There could be many reasons why you are not getting any views on TikTok. In TikTok, completion rate plays an important role. It is most important that the viewers who watch your videos to view the video from beginning to end. If you have low completion rate on your videos, then the video will be stopped showing to more users. In that case, go ahead and just post good videos that people might be interested in. Try posting short videos so that your viewer watch it completely since it's short. Once you create a new account on TikTok, avoid posting a video straight away. If you get more than 10 to 50 views on a video, you are past the first stage when the account's possible views are limited. You can start by watching some videos first, like videos, and try going to your profile and put some info in your bio. If you still get no views regarding how much you try on TikTok, what you can do is simply delete your TikTok account and try signing up again and start fresh on TikTok. Those were some of the fixes whenever you have no views on TikTok and you're frustrated with the situation. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.